Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Rustic wooden pergola patio, hyper-realistic, cozy outdoor living space, wooden beams, brick fireplace, large sofa and armchairs woven from light brown natural cane or wicker, creamy white cushions/pillows with orange and beige accents, multicolored, patterned area rug, driftwood or wood-carved round coffee tables, lush green tropical plants, natural light filtering through trees, warm earthy tones, wood floors, fireplace with wood logs inside, open space to a lush green forest. Impressionist lighting, soft focus on the overall details. Outdoor patio, rustic, hyper-realistic, wooden pergola with dark brown beams, whitewashed walls, large windows with wooden frames, light beige and tan stone patio, rattan furniture set with off-white cushions, low wooden coffee table, flowering plants and shrubs including bunches of white flowers, lavender bushes, lots of greenery, soft natural light, warm color palette, cozy and inviting atmosphere. Hyper-realistic, luxurious, modern living room, open floor plan, large windows with sliding glass doors, overlooking a tropical garden and ocean view. Creamy beige and golden tones, marble floors and walls with golden bronze accents on furniture legs, coffee table, and architectural features. Multiple chaise lounge-style sofas in cream/off-white fabric, and scattered outdoor-style furniture. A large swimming pool visible through the glass doors. Lush tropical plants and palm trees. Natural light streaming in, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. High ceilings. Golden tone metal framing. Smooth, glossy finishes. Focus on the textures of the marble and the smooth surfaces of the furniture. A meticulously detailed, hyper-realistic courtyard scene. A large, ornate Italianate-style villa with arches, stonework, and balconies. The villa's courtyard features a lush garden with various greenery and palm trees, framed by the villa's light beige tan facade. A beautiful pool with dark water is centrally located. The courtyard is paved with stones, and several large, dark brown/black, ornate cushioned seating areas are placed around the pool. The seating features rich, warm ochre and burnt orange fabric upholstery. Orange-toned drapes or curtains hang on the sides of the courtyard, adding a warm and inviting ambience. Hyper-realistic rooftop patio with city view. Rustic brick structure with exposed beams and dark metal accents, and an open-air design allowing city views. Warm amber/orange lighting highlighting the brick. Dark gray/blue sectional sofa set with beige throw pillows around a large, square, rusty brown fire pit with a blaze of orange flames. Large flagstone patio. Lush greenery, planted pots, and trees, green grass bordering the patio. Warm tones throughout, with the colors of the city skyline visible through the structure. Evening or twilight lighting, with subtle highlights on plants and the brick. Modern industrial aesthetics. A cozy outdoor lounge area under a pergola, overlooking a lake and mountains. Impressionistic, warm lighting. Rustic wooden pergola with hanging string lights and potted plants. Large, low, orange-toned cushioned seating areas, various patterned throw pillows in muted earthy tones, orange, browns, blues, grays. A large patterned rug covers the wooden floor. Soft, warm light from lanterns and candles. Misty valley landscape with muted teal and green mountains and a calm body of water. Details like hanging plants, wooden tables, and textures of the fabrics and rugs. Mood is relaxed and serene, evoking a sense of peaceful contemplation. A cozy outdoor lounge area under a pergola, overlooking a lake and mountains. Impressionistic, warm lighting. Rustic wooden pergola with hanging string lights and potted plants. Large, low, orange-toned cushioned seating areas, various patterned throw pillows in muted earthy tones, orange, browns, blues, grays. A large patterned rug covers the wooden floor. Soft, warm light from lanterns and candles. Misty valley landscape with muted teal and green mountains and a calm body of water. Details like hanging plants, wooden tables, and textures of the fabrics and rugs. Mood is relaxed and serene, evoking a sense of peaceful contemplation. Hyper-realistic outdoor living area, large windows showcasing lush green trees and foliage outside, a modern, industrial chic style with exposed wood beams and dark gray walls. A vertical garden of various green plants and foliage covers a significant portion of one wall. Accent lighting highlights greenery within the wall planters. A sectional sofa with light gray/taupe cushions and a dark gray frame sits in the space. The wood of a large, rustic coffee table is a medium brown, a small fire pit is centered on the table. The floor is a light brown wooden plank, warm, golden lighting throughout, impressionistic rendering of the natural light filtering through the windows. Hyper-realistic outdoor patio, dark forest setting, wooden deck with dark gray lounge furniture, stone fireplace with flames, fire pit in the center, lush green foliage surrounding the patio, metal beams and a pergola structure, warm lighting, brown wooden deck, gray couches and pillows, warm tones with dark green surroundings. Stone walls, fire pit, calm atmosphere, natural light filtering through the trees, detailed textures of wood, stone, and foliage. A spacious, outdoor living area, styled in a desert boho aesthetic. Hyper-realistic. Light beige/tan stucco walls with arched openings, showcasing a dramatic mountain landscape beyond. Large, cushioned, low seating section in terracotta orange, with patterned throw pillows in muted earth tones, browns, grays, creams. A large, intricately patterned, terracotta-toned rug covers the ground. A round metal fire pit, with flames visible, is situated in the center of the rug. Various desert plants, including cacti, succulents, and other greenery, are strategically placed throughout the space, adding dimension. Natural sunlight filters through the space, illuminating the warm colors. Modern, luxury, waterfront home, hyper-realistic, large glass windows, stone facade, light gray and beige stone, outdoor living area with comfortable furniture, light gray/beige sofas, wooden coffee tables, pool, swimming pool, reflecting the surrounding trees and house, tranquil evening. warm golden lighting, trees, lake, mountains in the background, calm water, contemporary design, two-story house. Indoor-outdoor living style, open concept, modern architecture, sleek black metal accents. Calm colors, natural light, evening lighting, luxury ambience, peaceful atmosphere. High-rise penthouse, hyper-realistic, modern luxury, panoramic city views, a large infinity pool extending across the balcony, overlooking a river and cityscape, light taupe and gray tones, sleek black and gray architectural features, outdoor lounge furniture with light beige and gray cushions arranged around a fire pit, lush greenery planted around the balcony, glass railings overlooking the interior living area with a large sectional sofa, subtle warm lighting, calm twilight hour.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.